Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm filming from Mallorca. Tomorrow I am leaving and I'm going back home, so tonight is the last night I'm going out for dinner, so I thought it would be fun to show you guys my makeup. I'm also gonna bring you guys along with me to dinner. I probably won't be talking because it's a little awkward, but I will be filming for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. It probably doesn't look as bad on camera as it is in real life, but my body is so much more tan than my face is. Right now you don't really see that big of a difference on my belly, so we're gonna have to, you know, change my whole face color to be matching. I'm gonna start by moisturizing. Since I'm on vacation and I'm in sun a lot, I'm using After Sun as a moisturizer. I'm using the Biodermal After Sun, like a gel cream. It's nice because, you know, I've been in the sun all day. It's nice and, how do you call that? Like cold, like fresh feeling, and because it's After Sun, it's really hydrating for the skin. So this is what I'm using. Okay, let's get going with foundation. We'll be using again the Stay With Me foundation from Grwm, but I bought a new color. This is, normally I mix 01 with 30. You would think 30 is a good match, it's not. So I already bought a darker color. It's 48. It's too dark as you can see, but I'm gonna mix it with 30 and it's gonna be perfect when you highlight and everything. So I'm gonna mix these. Quick warning, we are really gonna catfish my skin color. I'm also so burned, like, are we kidding? Didn't burn the whole vacation. I'm on Mallorca now for 9 days and I have not been burned once. And today I fell asleep on my, is it like called an airbed on the sea, and I did not put on SPF. So, and my whole back is like, it's not good. I'm gonna take three of the darker shade and then one big one of the lighter shade. Mix those together. This is the color right now. It will look nice, I promise. We've been going to dinner almost every day, or like every night. We've been going really late, so like 9 o'clock. Yesterday we went 9:45, and I don't really have like good, this looks so bad, I'm so embarrassed. I am gonna blend this in with a brush more, but we've been going to dinner like really late every day and I don't really have nice lighting since it's like almost getting dark when we go there. So, and today we're going quite early, so I finally have some good lighting. I'm gonna take the color 30 and use it as a concealer. Not too much. Blend it in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna add a little bit more onto my chin. Okay, so don't mind my ears, we'll be hiding them anyways. I'm gonna contour with the e.l.f. Hollow Glow, I think shade Deep Rich 7. I'm gonna add a line here, here, a little bit here. Again, taking the beauty blender, blending this in. I hope my makeup stays on and I won't be sweating it off because it is an hour and 20-minute drive to where we are going to dinner tonight. And since we're going quite early, it's gonna be 30 degrees still outside. And add a little bit more. I've been trying nose contour, but I feel like I don't know how to. And also don't think this is like a good product to do nose contour with, but I'm on vacation so I don't really have any other products. And also the application wand is just not really precise. I think with some highlighting, I can pull it off. I hope so. I have to say I feel really uncomfortable looking at myself right now since my brows, by the way, I'm bronzing with the Essence bronzer, matte bronzing powder, and a Zoeva brush. But I was saying, I feel uncomfortable looking at myself right now because it looks like I have no brows. Like, my hair is so dark. I dyed it like a shade darker than I usually do because I'm going on vacation. I mean, sun all day, swimming in the sea, swimming in a pool, gonna fade really quickly. So I was like, I'm not about to pay 100 euros or something to get my hair dyed and then come back from vacation and it's all gone. I'm gonna use this brown color right here as an adding to my bronzer. My own bronzer is not dark enough. I'm on vacation, so I don't have anything else. And I'm also not used to doing makeup on such a tan face since I'm normally as white as a ghost. Essence Brighten Up powder with the Essence Powder Puff. Highlight underneath where I bronzed. Underneath my eyes, on my forehead. In the meantime, I will be doing my brows. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow from my Jeffree Star palette, a Morphe setting spray. I will be spraying a bit on my brush. See how everything starts to look a lot less weird. Taking my bronzer brush again and wiping away all the leftover powder. I'm gonna take my blush brush. I'm first gonna apply this Kiko Milano blush. It's the Sicilian Notes Baked Blush in color 03 Paneria Mauve, something. This color right here. Okay, and then from my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this color. For people that are new, I love using eyeshadow as everything. I use my eyeshadow as a blush, as a bronzer. I fill in my brows, eyeliner, lip liner. Eyeshadows for everything, even though I have everything, you know, like separate. Sometimes I just see a nice color and I'll be like, oh my god, that's so nice as a blush, and I try it out and it looks really nice. Or I'll be like, yeah, this is like so like good of a lip color, and I'll just try it out because why not, you know? I'm gonna take my Kylie bronze palette and a Morphe X Medicine Beer brush, and I will be taking this orange color right here, and I will be applying this in my outer corner, just everything but the moving eyelid, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do for eyes today. I'm gonna swoop it a bit towards the tail of my brow. I'm gonna spray my face with my Morphe setting spray or setting mist. I'm gonna curl my lashes right now using this mascara from Essence. Okay, and then I don't know what to do for lips today. I have no clue. I think I'm going in with this dark brown eyeshadow. Okay, that's it for lips. And this is the makeup. I'm gonna grab my jewelry. And then I'm gonna have to fucking hurry. These will go into my second, voila, like this. I'm gonna put on my clothes and hurry because I'm late. and I'll show you guys my outfit and take you guys along with me to the restaurant. I hope it's gonna be really pretty and nice and everything, because if it's not, I'm gonna cry. This is like a 1.5 hour drive. So this is the dress I will be wearing. It has like a bodycon, silk sleeves. My dress is from Reinders and these heels are from Shein.
No, never wanna hit up, but it's hard to keep myself in a straight up. And I fall back, and I'm paying. Driving 50 and I put it in the pace.